What if there's a way to earn $5 on a regular basis? There's no requirement for any prior knowledge or expertise needed. Now, $5 may seem insignificant, but it quickly adds up, and you can expect to see your balance rise every day. Using this secret approach, many people from all over the world are currently earning $50 to $350 per day or more. They're just ordinary people who have noticed this amazing new trend. You're fortunate since you clicked on this video and are now one of the chosen few who will learn the secret approach. In this short video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to sign up for free examples, and most significantly, an extra strategy to make twice as much money. So make sure you stay and watch to the very end. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. First and foremost, I'd want to direct your attention to pixels.com. When you visit this website, you can look over the various options available and you can download it for free. Now, go to your search engine and type in the keyword black and white photos. By doing so, you can see all of these images. They don't have a color, which is exactly how we can generate money online by utilizing all of these black and white photographs. Following that, I'd like you to go to colorize.sg. You may colorize black and white photos on this website. If your photo is black and white, such as the one on the left, you may colorize it using this free tool that can help you earn money online. So, if you go down this website, you'll notice that there's a place where you can upload black and white photographs. You may turn a black and white image like this into a colored image like this, and then sell them for $5 to $20 or more after doing it for free. So, in a quick tutorial, we'll teach you how to accomplish it. Also, I'll show you a few places where we can begin providing the service to others and earn money. So I'll go ahead and click this button and I'll be able to upload images to this website, and remember that you can do the same thing on your phone. This free website is wonderful since it allows you to colorize your images. As you can see, the original photo is black and white and the output is colorized. As you can see, we can immediately compare these photos and see that they have true colors from black and white pictures. As you can see, the black and white photo gradually colorizes as I click this bar right here and gently drag it from left to right. This is cool since you can submit photos on this website with just one click of a button, and with no technological skills, it will colorize the picture. After you colorize the photo, all you need to do is download it using this button. I can download it for free without having to make an account on this website. So, color photos are the first thing you can do with this website. Continue to watch this video because I'll teach you how to generate money online with the free services of the website. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, we will proceed to the next website, remove.bg. You can use this website to erase the backdrop of a photo, such as this one, which features a girl, woods, and other landscapes in the background. This is essentially something you can do for free on this website, and it's completely automated. So, once you've used the software on this page, you'll be able to eliminate the background and just see the girl and the guy. This is how you may take advantage of this new opportunity to eliminate the background. So go back and click on this blue button to upload the photo. After you upload the photo and remove the background, you can download the image without having to create an account or spend any money on this website. You can do it on your computer or phone. For now, I'd like to show you a number of different websites where you can earn money online using the manner that I taught you earlier, such as colorizing the picture and removing the background. Fiverr.com is the first and one of the best platforms. When you arrive at this page, enter in a keyword such as colorize photos and then click the search button to be directed to this page. Individuals from all over the world are selling this service, and you can see people colorizing a black and white photo if you check down below. Take this one for instance, where they turned black and white photos into brilliant hues. And as you can see, it costs $10. Other people have commented on the services. This indicates that clients are actually paying for the services. Many people from all around the world take advantage of the opportunity to color black and white images. The previously displayed colorized website might be utilized for the same reason. Assume that the seller is advertising his professional coloring services and that all he does is change black and white photos into colorful ones that he can sell for a certain price. You can potentially get that substantial sum of money by simply coloring photos on a free website like this one. What's more, you may create your own basic package for $30, $50 for the premium package, considerably expanding your earning potential. So, if you want to sign up for a free Fiverr account and start selling and making money online, simply click the Become a Seller button, and you'll be taken to this website where you can create a free account as shown. Just enter your email or just simply continue via Facebook, Google, or Apple. After doing so, just click Continue right here. The second website I'd like to recommend to you for further money-making opportunities is peopleperhour.com. If you use the search button on this page, you'll notice that there are a lot of people selling various services. Now, type background removal into the search box and hit enter. People are promoting background removal services for as much as $35 merely to remove background, as you can see, which is exactly what the website remove.bg enables us to accomplish. As you can see, achieving this in a few seconds with a few clicks and starting selling the services on this website is fairly straightforward. By scrolling down below, you'll see how many vendors profit from just deleting the background of photos, as I showed earlier. For this service, customers are currently receiving $15, $25, $10, and even $40. So if you're just getting started, all you need to do is price them at $5 and sell a bunch of them. So it appears that there are many photos, but as you can see here, removing the background automatically without any experience is quite straightforward. That's the opportunity I wanted to show you. If you want to create a brand new account on peopleperhour.com, just simply click this button right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be selecting I want to work as a freelancer and click sign up with Facebook or via email. After that, just enter your first name, last name, email, password, and click on sign up right here. That is exactly how these websites, colorize.sg and remove.bg, may help you generate money on Fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.